how are you this morning?
I'm good. And yes, I'm from Eswatini Mobile.
And you know, I've been on Facebook. This trip, you know, it's a buzz. Everyone's talking about it. Everyone wants to go to Cape Town. Tell us more about it.
Okay, firstly, I'd like to greet Babukele Makaya on behalf of my leadership, Baba Michelo Shakantu, and my CEO, Sydney Stula, Kusile breakfast show. And yes, it's the beginning of the year, but for us, it's not really the beginning. It's a continuous journey, you know, driving our vision, which is to become Africa's leading integrated business partner, and also driving the country's vision, turning this country into a first world economy. So yes, we launched Win a Getaway trip to Cape Town with 2 of your friends. So the 3 of you will get a fully sponsored trip to Cape Town. Imagine, I'm talking accommodation, I'm talking flights, I'm talking 10K allowance to spend on whatever you want, shopping, food, drinks, cocktails, whatever you want to do in Cape Town, you are covered. And it doesn't end there. You also get a travel insurance from Lidwala Insurance. They're a part of us under the Inyatse group. So we're saying whatever happens to you, Eswatini Mobile through Lidwala has got you. So should you lose your luggage, should you get sick. So we're not just taking Eswatini and dumping them in Cape Town, but we want them to have a full experience now, only with 100 emalangeni airtime. Imagine.
Yeah, all right. You know, it must be costly for Eswatini Mobile to, you know, host 3 people, the flights, accommodation, and plus the 10,000 Malangeni. What inspired this competition? I mean, we know you guys, you run lots of competitions, but this one is quite unique.
Yeah. So, well, we don't really look at the cost when we're doing these things. For us, it's an investment. Investment in our people. Remember, Eswatini Mobile has positioned itself as a partner with the Maswati. So Eswatini Mobile belongs to Maswati. We always say we created this company for Maswati. So when we grow, we want to grow with Maswati. But now, getting back to what inspired this promotion, the King's vision. King Mswati III's vision inspired this promotion. How? You know, taking this country into a first world economy is not a joke. You know, there are levels to it. We all have a part to play, right?
Yeah.
But what Eswatini Mobile said, we posed a question to me and you and say, then what is our part? What can we do in preparation for this first world economy? Now, there are people that have never set foot outside the country. So we want Maswati to learn, to be prepared mentally, how to behave in this first world economy that we're building. So now, yes, maybe South Africa is not a first world economy, but they're a bit advanced, right?
Yeah.
So now there are people that have never set foot in an airport, people that have never been in
a plane.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we're saying, experience these things, be comfortable with it, be able to handle such experiences. And we're really, really excited about it. And while anyone can win, and guys, I assure you, anyone can win. But we also have the hope that it will be someone that has never experienced what this trip comes with. I mean, we take you to Sikupe, to King Mswati III International Airport. You will take Eswatini A, our very own airline, itakfikisa Katata, a mother city, a Cape Town. Even the road that you'll be using to Sikupe, it's our own road built by our own people, the Inyatse group. So it's a fully packaged experience that we are providing for Maswati. So I wanted Maswati to appreciate that this is not just a trip, but we want them to go there with an open mind, learn and say, what can we then come back and do for Eswatini?
All right. So how do you enter the competition? Let's buy it 100 million in airtime. So in competition, what are the terms and conditions as well?
Okay. So we are a happy brand. there's so much energy at Eswatini Mobile. So with this promotion, we wanted also to move in that spirit. You know, when you call a friend, like, did you see Eswatini Mobile has just launched a new promotion? Mngani asambense Cape Town. Lord E100 emalangeni E100 airtime. Now that says that this brand or this network is all over the country. You know, you be calling your friend Loseshiselwen, Loselbonjen, Mnganami, loda airtime.
So all the three friends have to load the 100 airtime.
100 emalangeni airtime.
As many times as they can.
Each 100 that you put is an entry.
Okay.
Right? And then what happens is, so you load the E100, right? And then you call your friends also. Gutsigena Mngani, Sengu nominated. How do you nominate your friend? You nominate your friend by dialing *279#.
Okay.
The two friends that you're going with to Cape Town. So remember, it's a trip with two of your friends. So it's the three of you going to Cape Town. So we ifaga wenale airtime 100 emalangeni umfage, and then you call your friends to also load the 100 emalangeni airtime. So niya nominate nalala banye, they can nominate the other two. Nalo munye nominate the other two. So it's like a pool, you know, ngikong it's lemfo iyakhona kuti movela yona across the country. So the entire country is excited about the promotion, and that's exactly what we were aiming for, to have the entire country talking about Cape Town, an experience that is supposed to be brought back to this country.
Yeah. So how long do the friends need to be with Swaz Mobile in order to be eligible to apply for the competition?
Even if
you can buy SIM card
even
today.
If you buy it now as I am talking, even if you buy the SIM card today and you load 100 emalangeni airtime, you will be eligible to enter the draw, which will take place on the 7th of February. So the competition, Ms. Ilonche, 6th of January, it will run up to the 6th of February. And on the 7th, we have the draw of the winner. And then we will also announce the two friends. And then on Valentine's weekend, they will not be here. They'll be in Cape Town, enjoying the ocean. You know, they sipping your cocktails, you know, going up to the table mountain, whatever they want to do. But what we're hoping for is that they will maximize the experience and learn from it. So, yeah, you load, you nominate your friends. The friends also, they have to load 100 emalangeni airtime.
All right. So accommodation, food is all paid for by Eswatini Mobile?
Fully sponsored. And what I want to assure Maswati is that they will also be a team in Cape Town, a Eswatini Mobile team in Cape Town, just on standby, not to watch over them, but to make sure that they are safe. And we capture some of this moment, because remember, it's also an educational trip to capture some of the moments, not to invade their privacy, of course, but also just to, you know, come back and educate back. And then also what I also want to say is that if you're 18, between the ages of 18 and 21, we will require consent from your parents, because remember, it's a tapiyet lagangwan, that I may be 18, I may be 19, but I'm still under the guidance of guardian of my parents.
Okay.
So we just want this align in a batali ngathi Eswatini Mobile umfana umise Cape Town. So there are also those cautions.
Between 18 and 21.
Yes.
They will need consent. From their parents.
Yeah, just I'm aware my child is born, I give consent, they can go.
Right. They also win 10,000 malangeni each, so that money will be used for whatever they want to purchase while in Cape Town.
Yes. So in the trip, in the package, there's a 10,000 malangeni allowance. So the 10,000 malangeni allowance is for the winners to spend in Cape Town, because, like I said, I emphasize, it's an experience.
Yeah.
It's an experience. So we want you, if you want to explore anything in Cape Town, you must be able to do that. So food, sightseeing, and all of that, you'll be catered for through that 10,000 emalangeni.
All right. So
Eswatini Mobile.
In Ghana and your hype, I can imagine your inbox, Eswatini Mobile, is flocking with messages, the interaction between customers. I think my customers are excited about this competition.
They are super excited. You know, sometimes when you plan these campaigns, you never really know what the outcome would be. So when a campaign really does what you hope for, it's something else. So the reception is really positive. And like I said, we are a very energetic brand. So when that then start become a thing in the community, we really do get excited. And I think that is the reception that we have received from Emaswati. And it really does encourage us, because then it says we do understand Emaswati. We're moving in the same frequency with Emaswati. But yes, the comments in our social platforms is excitement. They're happy. Some really did not believe it's true. You know, we were getting calls like, is this really true? Did you say something mobile? Did you see someone is saying is taking your customers to Cape Town? I say, it's us. It's really us. We are taking them to Cape Town. And it could be you. Just load that 100 Malangini airtime between now and the 6th of February, and you could be in the running of winning this trip.
I think it's airtime manje nje nangiphumelana. Right. Well, there you have it, Maswati Lamahle, an opportunity to go to Cape Town for the whole weekend, Valentine's weekend, and spend 10,000 Malangeni in accommodation paid for, everything else paid for, your flight. Going ukubhadele Eswatini Mobile, just buy 100 Malangeni, you and your 2 friends. You could win an opportunity to go to Cape Town for the whole weekend, Valentine's weekend. So careful. We'll be right back with Cindy Sopembe.
Eswatini TV has signed a code of conduct that is enforced by the Eswatini Communications Commission. We are committed to reporting news that is accurate, comment that is fair, and programming that does not amount to hate speech or the description of gratuitous violence or explicit sex. For any complaints of our programming, please contact us on 2411-9600 or email info